Fáilte arás, welcome back. Agus fáilte gotí an Fisha. Welcome to this video. We're going to look at how to say very colloquially, very naturally, like a native speaker, how to say what's up os Gaeilge. And there's a few different meanings for what's up, so we're going to look at those different meanings as well. So do stay until the end. For this, firstly, there are two great freebies at the moment. We have lots, but these two I'm going to mention here. You can get Irish for your emails in a free PDF down below. So this is how to say, Dear Sir and Madame, to whom it may concern, thank you for your email, yours sincerely, all of that good stuff that you can use on your work or personal emails. And we also have a new daily translation challenge. Now you can get this on social media, or you can sign up for it below and get it to your email every single day. It'll give you a little challenge, how to translate something, and it'll provide you with the answers as well. So it's a great way to improve your Irish every single day in a really quick way that only takes about 30 seconds. A chorálinn an ish, on we go now. So one of the meanings for what's up would be if you're asking somebody what's wrong, or is there something wrong? Do they have a problem? Are they okay? So this way of saying what's up can be cod atá earth. So cod atá earth means what's up or what's wrong. And that literally translates to what is on you. Now, cod is used in Munster and in the Standard Irish. Caird is used in Connacht, and Cadet is used in Ulster. But we're just going to do Standard Irish here. Cod atá earth. What's up? Now, another way of saying what's up in Irish is ein scéal. Ein scéal. So any story, any news, what's up? Have you got any news? And then the next one is cunas atá cuasaí, which means how are things? So another way of saying what's up, how are things? Cunas atá cuasaí. Cunas atá cuasaí. Now we have a different how in the dialects. So in Connacht they have cén chuí, and it changes to a will. Cén chuí a will cuasaí. Cén chuí will cuasaí. You don't hear this A when you say it naturally and faster like a native speaker. Cén chuí will cuasaí. And then in Ulster, I haven't spent much time in the Donegal Gaeltachtaí, so I can't say for sure that they use this phrase. If you are from Ulster, you can let me know. But definitely in Connacht, cén chuí a bhfuil cuasaí, how are things? Agus sin é go bhfios, that's it for this video. Hopefully you can use one of them or all of them in natural conversation. Some of them are quite easy to pop in. And don't forget to check down below in the description for all those free PDFs and the free translation challenge. Agus feici mé an seachtain se thugann thu. See you next week. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.